Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss advanced classification techniques of supported vector machine uh, by Envi classic software through of a Landsat 8 data. So to start, open the data files to open image file, and there is a window. The RGB color, so Landsat 8 is a 5, 4 and 3 and load data, load RGB. This is the Landsat 8 satellite image. So let's start the ROE collection. So overlay to region by interest. ROT polygon, that is the satellite image. So at first there is this reverse channel. So create this polygon, zoom. This is the water body, and change this color. This color is the blue. Next is the sand. This is the sand. So new region and create polygon. And change sand. New region. This is the open forest, dense forest, new region. There is this open dense forest. Change this color. New region. Next is the open forest. There is this open forest. There is this open forest. This is the cropland. This is the cropland and new region. Create polygon. So there is the cropland. There is this cropland and next is the Helloland. New region. is the fellow length. This is the collection of this image signature and file to save ROI. This is the select the 6 features and put output name. And okay, save this ROI and go to classification and supervised advanced classification techniques supported vector machine. Input Landsat 8 image and there is the selected spatial band and okay. So select the spatial band 5, 5, 4, 3 and okay. Only 3 band. Select all item and output name. Supported vector machine. Okay. So there is the complete of the SVM. So open this SVM. So this is the classification of this image. To link this to image tools to link display. There is the display 3 and 1. Uncheck of these 2 and yes. So there is this water body and there is the water body. Sand and there is the sand. There is the fellow land. There is the fellow land and there is the cropland. So there is the dense forest here and there is the dense forest. There is the open forest. So classification. There is the supported vector machine classification or advanced classification. So overlay to change this color classification input supported vector machines. Okay, there is the change this color. So edit option, edit class, and there is the dense forest color change. So there is the choose. This is the select. Suppose and okay, file and save to file. So change this color. The dense forest is the red. So change this overlay to classifications supported vector machines. Okay. Change this color option to edit color of the color. So dense forest color is the change. So this is the green and okay. File and save change. Yes. So New display open. There is the change this color. So there is the supported vector mesh in SVM classification techniques. Thanks for watching.